My name is Jim Zaremski, and I'm the maintenance electrician for Benefis. We take care of all the motors, the freak drives, the generator plant, and any other electrical issues that come up. So we're constantly moving when they move offices. We're adding outlets and new lighting throughout the complex, and not only the East Campus, the West Campus, the Central Campus, and the Northwest Clinic. And I've been over to Helena working over there a little bit also.
I mean, electricity is pretty important, right?
It's very important to keep the place going.
Dennis Lesmeister. I'm the gardener and irrigation specialist here at Benefis. As far as grounds maintenance go, we're a small but very close team. We're proud of what we do. We take ownership, and it's an enjoyable job. I've been here 25 years and seen a lot of changes over the years.
My name's Jeff Wohler. I am the bed and stretcher specialist, and my main job is to keep our bed and stretcher fleet operational.
It looks like, you know, as time has progressed, hospital beds are more advanced, and I would guess that means
yes,
that
there is a lot more electronics in them, which go wrong, what's happened in this one and what's happened in this one. And it happens a lot more now that we get more advanced. Our beds are getting where they're Wi-Fi capable now. You can plug your cell phones into these ones to charge them. They got locators that can tell me which room these beds are in. So there's a lot of new stuff that has come up within the last 5-6 years or so.
I'm Tim Hain, and my co-worker is Jeff, works on it with me. Make steam for heating the building, make steam for the sterilizing process for central supply, heat water for the laundry, heat water for the whole building, so keeps everything warm. We're getting some new laundry equipment, the new ironer, big ironer, which is over there. Those guys are just putting it in, and then this is a new folder that holds towels and gowns for them, so it's all new. Hopefully it'll work really well.
Hi, my name is Don Green. I'm a Benefis carpenter. We do a lot of things around the hospital. We set up Herman Miller desks for a lot of people. We actually build cabinets in here. We do quarrying in this shop. There's a lot of things that we do that a lot of people don't realize. And this is where a lot of it happens. So,
what's your favorite part of working at Benefis?
I enjoy the work. I enjoy the job. It's never a dull moment around here. You name it, we do it.
Something different every day. It's, even though I do electrical work every day, there's a different problem that arises every day, and it's a challenge to fix it and make sure everybody gets back up and running in a timely manner.
I like repairing the repairs, the people, the repairs. It's been a good job for me.
I like what I do here, working with mechanics, machinery, take care of the laundry stuff as well. So it's mechanical for me, hammer and a screwdriver, not so much computer stuff. So.
Yeah, what's your favorite thing about working at Benefis?
the people. I like working around the people. Sometimes. Just depends on the day.